Yeah. Jewel, say hi to me. Say hi to me. Thanks, Janice. Yun. Hi, Pling. Congratulations. Donald, say hi to me. And the rest of the guys in there up high. Hi, Sao. That's Sao. Hi, Nanjak. Maling. Oh, seduce me. Oh. Yeah, you wrong. Karen, hi. Whoa. Hi, Carl. This is a... Yeah, oh. Hi, Carl. Hi, Donna. Hi, Larissa. Hi, Titi. Yeah, and the rest is the team here. That's the owners of the Happy Sweden. I think Panay Island. No.
And so if you